When your app sends a video to Imentiv AI's API, the API returns with the emotional analysis. Today, let's walk through exactly how our API works, step by step. Step 1. Authenticate your API access. To begin, you need your API key. Log into your Imentiv AI dashboard, navigate to My Account, My Profile, and copy your API key. Step 2. Upload your media for analysis. You can send video, audio, text, and image for emotion analysis. Let's begin with a video upload. Then, at first, paste the API key. You can use the post endpoint to upload your video. You can go through this to know everything about uploading. Click on Test Request. You can click on the video file to upload. If you want to upload a YouTube video, you can paste a video URL here. You can also add start millis, end millis if you want any particular section of the video. Then give a title and description before requesting the send. Include a callback URL in your request to receive processing updates. And then request to send. Step 3. We process the video. Once uploaded, Imentiv AI gets to work. Behind the scenes, our deep learning pipelines perform facial emotion recognition, speech emotion detection, tone and sentiment analysis, and more. Step 4. Fetch your emotion insights. For that, you need to copy your ID, then use the GET endpoint to receive the emotion insights. And here you have the analysis. You can use other endpoints here to work your way, such as delete, reprocess, and etc. The same goes for audio, text, and image API upload. That's all it takes. Authenticate, upload, process, and retrieve. Start building with Emotion AI today.